everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. Well, I have corn, but I have this here is a UHIYEE, and it is a can opener. So I'm gonna open this up and show you guys what it is here. I needed a can opener here. I didn't have any can openers, and I had cans like this without a pull top. So what do we get? We get a can opener. If I can open it, if I can open the can opener. Ho, ho, ho. Wow, lots of bubble wrap and stuff. Okay, so this is it. It's heavy duty. It's got instructions. If you've never used a can opener before, I guess it kind of explains how it will work. If you really need it, you can probably pause that and zoom in. I had it upside down, if it even matters, but okay. But here we go. So the way it works is you'll clip that over your can, and then you rotate this thing here. It also has a little like bottle opener, so if you're drinking beers or something like that, you could just pop a top. But let's show you guys how this works here. So it goes like that. Let me zoom, get close here if I can. So it's gonna go like this, and the little blade goes on the inside. Let's see if I don't wanna get corn juice everywhere. And then you rotate, and as you rotate it, it is breaking the seal in there. I'm just gonna do a quick dump of some of the corn juice so it doesn't spill all over my counter. Okay, and now let's finish it up. So we'll just rotate, 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 and there we go. We know it's done. It fell in, and what this one has, which is cool, is once you take it off, you can go like this. It's got a little magnet on there to pull the top up. How cool was that? There's my corn. So it did a really great job. I mean, it was super easy to turn and to do. I mean, it's a heavy-duty can opener. Even says which way to turn it if you didn't know to turn it that way. But it's, I mean, it does what a can opener needs to do. And this one's heavy duty. Look at that. You can even use that to cut something. You could put something in there and go, and it'll slice that off. So got different abilities here. But it's really cool. A nice little can opener and bottle opener as well. So you got it all in one. And this is it here. I like it. Thumbs up.